Hello guys, today I have the Xiaomi Leica Leitzphone and I'm going to show you how to set up the gesture navigation and this device. If you want to try something new, like you have been using the buttons for a long time and you want to switch, there's no problem. First open the settings and now you need to scroll down to the home screen. Once you tap home screen, you need to scroll all the way down. Tap System Navigation and select Gestures. As you can see here, we have some tutorial. You can tap Learn and now Learn. Here, swipe from the bottom quickly to exit the app. Nice. Swipe from the bottom Pause. Nice. Swipe from the right edge. Swipe from the right edge now, but to the left. And I'm done. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.